Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Google Pixel 3a mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. At first, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then the LCD screen removal from the front. To remove the LCD, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option, and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen, and then insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Lift the screen gradually and disconnect the connector plug by undoing two screws and removing the shield. There is an adhesive strip on top of the connector. It is missing from this device. If you have the sticky, peel it off and place it while connecting the LCD screen. Next, take out the mid-frame plate by undoing 14 screws. And then by using a plastic cut pry tool or triangular picker, move around the phone to reach the mid-frame clips. Next, lift the mid-frame by the bottom and rise to 60 degrees and release the proximity sensor, and then take out the frame. Next, on the body, first disconnect the battery connector, and then move to the bottom left and release the plug and two screws to take out the charging port flex. Take out the broken charging port flex and replace the new charging port flex in the logic board. First, secure two screws and then plug the connector into the board. And also connect the battery plug into the board. Next, connect the proximity sensor and place the mid-frame by adding 14 screws. Here we take out the frame's proximity sensor and then connect it to the logic board. When placing the mid-frame, gently pick the sensor through the opening and put it in the frame. We are doing this to eliminate the difficulty of clicking the sensor block into the board while installing the frame. Next, place the LCD screen on the body and then connect the LCD plug and add the shield by inserting 2 screws and also the tape, which we don't have but you may. Before installing the new LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to tie in the LCD screen with the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. On the other hand, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the charging port replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.